Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Majelle, and if you're new here, then welcome. And if you're not new here, then welcome too. Today I bring to you a Riverdale woman outfit lookbook. Although I guess it's not really a lookbook. So yeah, let's get into this video. I've been meaning to do this video for so long, and I really wanted to do like every single day I dress up as a different like Riverdale character and go to work and do my normal day. And I just started doing that a few times and it just completely busted. So I bring to you me putting together these outfits alone in my room and probably not wearing them out because it was actually not my favorite outfits. I think it's just because that the show people display the Riverdale's characters and their personas so well. Like they reflect themselves in their outfits so much that their personality traits are just so wacko and out there that maybe they just like actually don't coincide with any normal person's personality trait. Wait, no, I do like their outfits. I just don't think that me wearing them for a week, maybe Cheryl's, would really be like close to my personal style. Like going through my closet and finding the outfits, especially today for Betty and for Veronica, was so hard. So with that intro, let me show you which ones I stirred up today. So I'm gonna start with Betty. I actually thought that Betty would be the easiest one. I thought I would just like wear something super conservative and then throw my hair up, but it was not the case. One, I don't wear jeans, and Betty seems to always be wearing like a pair of like light wash jeans or like a short sort of mini skirt that's like really like tight to your body, and I tend to go for more like A-line skater skirts. I just like feeling comfortable and I can move in them. Poor Lily Reinhart has to like walk around not being comfortable the entire time because tight skirts or tight pants are like the two things I just don't own because they're just not comfortable, and this girl has to wear it like every time she's filming. They probably film for like sun up to sundown. So I chose two outfits for her. Actually the first outfit I chose is the sweater I'm wearing right now. I got it thrifted before, and then I threw on a pair of light jeans. Actually, after trying these on for this video, I realized that I'm totally gonna put them to my consignment store because they like don't really fit properly and they're so tight and uncomfortable. So I'm getting rid of these. And then I just tucked my sweater into those jeans. And then on top of that, I threw a sort of conservative coat on. It's another thrifted item. Actually, I got it on Depop like literally a week ago, and I've worn it every day since, and I adore it and would marry this coat if I could. It's originally from H&M, and I bet that their new spring line will totally have something similar in it because it's like perfect for the neutral cool look that's going on right now. If you guys can hear my parents laughing in the background, it's because they're watching funny YouTube videos, so they're just like us. The next one I pulled together for Betty, I actually put it on. It's this super cool navy and polka dotted dress that I paired with a big sweater because she tends to wear like really conservative looking sweaters, especially the color white or more pastel-y colors. And then I realized that I didn't like the look of it with the sweater at all. I didn't have a mini skirt that would go with the sweater, so I just ended up taking off the sweater and styling the dress the way that I would style it. I do feel like this could still be pretty Betty-ish, but it's not like classic Betty. I feel like she would wear this dress, but I don't feel like I could find a photo to resemble an outfit that she's worn on the show so far. So yeah, she's not my favorite in terms of outfits, but I like her aesthetic. I like her like pastel-y blonde girl sort of vibe. I am a pastel-y blonde girl sort of person, so I do feel that, but I just don't like the way the showrunners always put her in jeans and a sweater. It could be a bit more creative about jeans and a sweater. This polka dot dress, by the way, I also just got at Winners the other day, so if you guys are Canadian and have a Winners, then go and get it because it's super comfy, flattering, and I'm totally gonna wear it to work because it's like conservative enough, and that's why it would be a good Betty look too, because she's conservative, even though she has dark Betty. The next one I wanted to talk about, and I threw it in here because if you Pinterest like Betty's outfits, it is the only thing that shows up. It's not the only thing that shows up, but it's the thing that shows up like 10 times. It's because it's probably her coolest outfit that they put her in. It is when the Gargoyle King was the main theme in the TV show, and it was when they all went back in time and played the younger version of their parents. And so this is like, it's not technically a Betty look, it is a Alice Cooper look. And I had to say there was a lot of pieces of this outfit I had, but I was so amazed to find out that I don't have, and I'll put the picture of the original outfit, but I don't have a
bralette that is like a longer sort of bralette that's black, which is so weird because I feel like that's such a staple piece, so it kind of woke me up into realizing that I do need to go and get one of those. And then I also just don't have a black leather jacket, which I feel is so weird. It's not really my style. I'm so much more feminine and girly, and that's probably why I have like a brown suede version of a leather jacket, which it's great. It worked really well for this outfit, but I kind of feel like now I might need to get one. Now that I am a fashion YouTuber, I feel like I have to get all these staples, so. But it was really fun doing the Alex Cooper look. I have to say that I felt hot doing this, so I adored it. I think that you would not feel bad wearing this outfit. It's pretty hard not to. And what's great is that it's not only high-waisted, so it kind of like, if you're bloated, it hides it. But then there's like tights underneath, so it's like even more cinched in. So I might be one of my favorite outfits of the video, actually. The next one is Veronica, and I was looking through my wardrobe and looking for all of my like business bitch outfits. Like Veronica is such a like, you know, little girl boss, little businesswoman, has her little speakeasy in the bottom of a diner, which is lit if you think about it. So the colors I was going for when I was picking out the outfits were purples and blacks. And then I have these pearls, surprisingly, don't remember when I got them, that I was able to throw on and sort of like tie together the outfit to make it a little bit more Veronica-ish. It's just a purple shirt that I've owned forever with a black skirt. Super simple, and then I threw together my black satin trench coat that I got thrifted, by the way. I'm gonna keep saying that because it feels so much better to say when I got things thrifted than when I like went out of my way and spent a lot of money on them. So yeah, I got this thrifted. And then the next outfit, it's not insanely Veronica, but I do feel like she would rock it, but it's this like sheer bodysuit that I literally got from Shein so long ago and have not worn yet. And then these high-waisted pants from Boohoo that I got and I really need to hem, and I just haven't yet. So that together makes this sort of like badass night Veronica kind of outfit. Again, she's someone who wears really tight clothing. Actually, all of the girls on Riverdale wear really tight clothing, and I'm just so much more about comfort that I just don't have like the tight black mini skirt I know Veronica wears at least like once an episode. So oops. Okay, I saved the best for last, and I'm a little biased here, but I really love Cheryl Blossom, and I totally follow Madeleine Petch on YouTube, so I love her, and I really love recreating her outfits. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know that I made myself a jacket and was Cheryl Blossom for Halloween. I wore it to work because it was one of those things that was like wearable enough that no one would know unless they like really got it. So I paired that outfit with, it's pretty much like a dead ringer for the outfit she wears, that when she is initiated into the Southside Serpents, except for the fact that I do not have tall red boots. I have black boots instead, so that's like the only difference in this outfit, I think. So I just paired it with a black turtleneck, black skirt, black high boots, and then I threw it on for the punch of red, and of course I have my red lipstick on, which I will be wearing for the next few days because this is really good red lipstick. And then the last one I have is just this red sweater dress. I have a lot of red, but I have a lot of like flowy red, which made me realize it. And Cheryl's a bit more like tight red, so that is why I grabbed this one. It's super awesome. I put a belt on it to kind of like make the look more dynamic, but I love it. I lived in this kind of a little bit this winter, so I'm, you know, this is probably the one that is closest to my everyday look, although the Cheryl Blossom all black look, I wear that a lot. I just don't wear it with the red jacket, and it's a good like easy throw on look. Wow, that went by fast, actually. And the jacket I got for my Cheryl Blossom look and how I did this, the easiest DIY. I literally just got this really cheap jacket from AliExpress, which was amazingly in good quality, which is always a gamble when buying from some websites like AliExpress. And then I just printed out the Southside Serpents logo, I cut around it, and then I put fabric tape on the back and just taped it on. So it's not like super glued, it's not like painted, it's not like fabric printed onto it. It is literally just paper and tape, and that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed it more than you maybe enjoy watching Riverdale, because the plot's pretty convoluted. But the people are attractive and the outfits are good, and so that's why I watch it. So thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you feel like subscribing. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.